This is motherfucking Wanda, Miss Asia. Bitch, your name is motherfucking Asia, bitch. Your weak ass calling my motherfucking man, bitch. Calling my motherfucking phone and shit, bitch. You stay pressed on my pussy, bitch. Bitch, you stay pressed on my motherfucking pussy. Bitch, you calling my motherfucking phone, texting me this bullshit. Bitch, I don't even know who the fuck you are. Bitch, I said, who is this? You said, who is this? I said, who is this? Like, bitch, what the fuck you mean? The fuck you mean? The fuck? Bitch, please. Asia. Big as a motherfucking continent, girl. Have a motherfucking see. Cause, bitch, I'm gonna tell you 4 things. Okay? Your man called my phone. Okay? And I don't appreciate the dumbass text. Bitch, get a clue. Buy it out. Number 2. Your name need to be Canada, not Asia. And number 1. Bitch, you gon' beat my ass? You so fucking frustrated as shit? Bitch, you don't even motherfucking know me. Where the fuck was your frustration at the Trayvon Martin trial? Bitch, get upset about some real shit. Some shit you know is going on. Bitch, you don't even motherfucking know me, bitch. Simple ass bitch. B-I-C-T-H. Check your man, bitch. Only a dummy will say, someone told me something about you, but 2 messages before that, I still don't know who the fuck this is. Bitch.